mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this super easy glueless install with this unit that I got from ohmypretty hair. They went ahead and sent me a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, water wave, 22 inches and 180 density. So you know she's thick. Like, as you guys can see, this is a whole lot of hair. Okay, it's really nice and lightweight, which is something I definitely love. It's also really nice and soft, so this is literally perfect for the spring going into summertime. I love this hair for a vacation. The curls are to die for, slash waves. I love when I get water wave hair like this. It's so cute. And I'm gonna not ramble because we gotta get into the install and all that good stuff. So if you'd like to see how I did this install, just keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. Links will be in the description box below, and let's jump into today's video. result for my glueless install. With this wig I got from Oh My Pretty Hair. They went ahead and sent me a 13x4 HD lace wig, 22 inches, and water wave, 180 density. So you know she's really full. I'm loving the waves. They are literally everything. I love when I get water wave hair like this because it's literally like the cutest pattern ever. Like, this wig is really cute and I'm here for it. I loved how easy it was to install. I literally just attached a band, even though there is a band in the wig already, to make it more snug and fit on my head better, and to inevitably make it glueless, which I love to do because right now I can literally just pop my wig off, put it back on, do whatever I want to do, and know that the wig can come off at the end of the day, which is perfect. So definitely do not forget to go ahead and click the links in the description box if you would like to go ahead and shop this hair. It's gorgeous hair, really nice and full, soft. The curls are everything, and that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Oh My Pretty Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.